So, I discovered that I left an iPhone plugged in for 9 years. It's amazing that it still works, but what happened to it is pretty incredible. Look at the side. It started to split, it started to come apart. Now the screen was cracked when I plugged it in. I used it as a iPod in my studio, and when I replaced it, I forgot that I left it plugged in 9 years ago. And when I found it, I was really shocked because look at this. It just opened up from the heat. Thing is just totally busted open from the heat. It still works though. It's pretty cool. I forget what model this is, but it's like 9 years old. Look. Look at that old setup. Crazy looking. Yeah. So yeah, iPhone plugged in for 9 years. Look what it did.